First vegan meal of the week is going to be some white bean soup. These are some of the ingredients. I'm going to take you guys step by step. All right, I just added some olive oil to the pot. Let that heat up for a little bit. All right, here we have 1 onion, 2 sticks of carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pot. It's getting way too hot. Let's hurry up. Adding in a little salt to layer it for taste. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now the onions and stuff has been sauteed. Add in a couple shakes of chili flakes. Vegetable broth in the pot to deglaze the pot, and I'm going to scrape the bottom to make sure we got the bottom of the pot, all the good stuff at the bottom scraped up. So we're adding a little bit of these chopped up artichokes that I'm going to add to it, and we're going to also add a couple of these small potatoes that I bought from over here. Stay tuned for part 2. Okay, we're making some vegan soup. Check out for part 1. Now we're adding a can of rinsed cannellini beans. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's just white kidney beans. I already added that in, and we're going to mix this together and layer this with some more salt and pepper. Once the potatoes are tender, we're going to actually take half of the soup, add it to a blender, and then place it back in the pot like this. I'm telling you guys, it tastes so good. We're going to go ahead and add this and reduce this to simmer, and then add the kale as the final step. Here's the soup after we added the kale. Here's the final result. My little sample bowl. I'm going to do a taste test. I've already tasted it. It is so good and packed with flavor. It might not look the most appetizing, but I'm telling you, this soup is absolutely amazing.